it's your boy Incredible Zimo. Yeah, today I am out with the Yeshua dance tutorial. Guys, it's going to be very simple, very simple. So let's just learn it together. So first of all, take a deep breath, get ready. Be ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Then you bend the right to the left, then the left to the right. Like this. Now let's take it again. So you bend the right to the left, left to the right, then you bend your body to the right. Then you point the hand in front, right first, left first, then you do the cross. Then you give them to the right, tap, then you spin, tap. Again, they come in front. So you pray. You do like you're praying. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you give them 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes. Ta aji. Then you give them ta aji. Then you come 1, 2. Dana, I'm praying. Then you give them ta. Then you go down. 2, 3. Then you give them pow aji. Pow aji. Pow aji. To the side. Then you give them bo. Down, aji, incredible, Simon, aji. Let's just watch. Aji, look at it. Let's go. One of my favorite dancer energy times, and the dance crew, dance with purpose, DWP. I'm watching you dance one day. Let's go. Just do it. Learn it. You get it. Just like this. One thing, don't forget to subscribe and like. Yo, my guys.